Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. Here's everything that's new on the Dress to Impress Style Showdown update. So you get this coat, which you do have to play a few rounds to claim it. You get this also like fur coat, I guess. This skirt as well as these heels. I think those weren't there if I'm not mistaken. Those are the new items that I know of so far on the Style Showdown update. Also to go to master servers if you have, I think, 10,000 stars or above. So here there's a new server. It's called the master server. To join it, you can either select this icon or this icon to join the master server, and you'll be able to play against people who have 10,000 stars. I'm not sure how fair the votes are. People say they're more fair. Sometimes people say they're still the same as the regular and pro servers. But that's what's new as well. And I think that's it on the Style Showdown update. You can kind of see more on the not home screen, like the screen that like pops up. You'll be able to like see. Well, obviously you also get these sets for playing the Style Showdown game mode. But that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.